Hello everyone, my name is Dinesh. In this video I am going to talk how to create a GUI in MATLAB. Here this is MATLAB 2018A. These are my functions, windowing in underscore GUI.m, calculate.m and df.m. I am going to explain this right now. First of all, I will show you how to create a GUI in MATLAB. First we have to go to GUID, which you can see over here. GUID means graphical user interface integrated development environment. We'll open that. I have my windowing GUI fig file in this location. I'll open that. This way we have to create a GUI. These are different components which you can drag. This push button which you can see here is a push button which you can there are various components to make a GUI, just like graphs, push buttons, okay, and static tests, dynamic tests, and various other buttons available here. You can just drag and drop this here and make the GUI. Here we have made a length. Here you can see, I will explain you some of the components here. Length is here is a static test. Choose window is also a static test, and this is a drop down bar. This is pop-up menu box which has been dragged and dropped from here, and here it is a dynamic test, and here it is the push button, okay. And these are the two graphs of the time series. We have graphs to show the time series spec of the signal and its frequency domain, that is spectra. So, and we have also calculated a bunch of functions over here. Some of them are main lobe width, transition bandwidth, stop band, attenuation, side lobe, and main lobe. In this experiment we are going to calculate these functions which is going to be performed in the back end of the GUI. Okay, right now I will show you how this works. I am going to run this code. Yeah, we will fix the length of the window, and we can fix the type of the window, and if we click the push button you can get the time series of the signal and also its spectra over here, and the different different functions, main lobe width, transition bandwidth, stop band, attenuation, side lobe, everything has been calculated here. We can also change the various other aspects. You can change it to triangular, which if I change it to triangular, yeah, you can see I will increase this to some 45. You can see the change of the signal and its spectra, and similarly we can calculate for every type of window. Let's see Hamming window. So you can see a Hamming window and its spectra over here, and you can also see Blackman window, yeah, which is similar to Hamming window, and you can see its discrete time series and the frequency spectra over here. Let's get into the construction of this GUI. Yeah, this is window underscore GUI.fig file which has been in which the components have been dragged and dropped. After after dragging and dropping the whole components, this file will be created automatically by MATLAB. Here we have to write our functions in the push button callback at the push button callback position, and we have to write the different cases to get the different types of windows here. See, you can see the various windows over here. You can see the window coefficients of various types of windows like rectangular, triangular, Hamming, and Blackman windows, which you can see here. And to calculate the different functions which I have showed you, we have created a function called calculate.m which calculates the main lobe window, pass band, stop band, attenuation, and main lobe, side lobe, etc. So these are the direct commands by which you can get all these functions. And we have also used discrete time for it, and we have to find the spectrum of the signal. So we wrote a function for DTFT. FFT is available in MATLAB. Still we have written our own function DTFT to calculate the discrete time Fourier transform. So here's the code. So you can also get the GUI if you run here itself, the windowing underscore GUI.m. If you run this, you will get the GUI, and we can select the length. I am showing it again actually to show my picture. Okay, it's not working for. We'll increase the size. Blackman. Yeah. So these are the discrete time series and the spectra calculation using GUI. It's a very good tool. to understand this phenomenon. Thank you. That's it from this video.